Good morning friends, I am Karan with my team back with new topic of latitude and the longitudes. So friends, this is the replica of the earth. There are some imaginary lines which divides the earth into different parts. First, we will learn about the latitudes. So you can see here some imaginary lines. These lines are parallel to each other. These parallel lines are known as the latitudes of the earth. First, we will learn about the equator. The 0-degree latitude which divides the earth into two hemispheres or two parts. From the 0-degree latitude up to the 90-degree north, we have northern hemisphere. From the 0-degree latitude up to the 90-degree south, we have southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, we have different latitude like Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle. The Tropic of Cancer lies on the 23-degree half-minute north, whereas Arctic Circle lies on the 66-degree half-minute north. In the southern hemisphere, at 23 degrees south, we have Tropic of Capricorn, and at 66 degree half-minute south, we have Antarctic Circle. Now you can see these colorful zones. These are known as the heat zone of the earth. Between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the midday sun remains exactly overhead at one point throughout the whole year. That's why it receives the maximum amount of heat, and this region is known as the torrid zone or Ushanakटिबंधीय क्षेत्र. In the north of the Tropic of Cancer and south of the Arctic Circle, this is known as the North Temperate Zone, and in the south of the Tropic of Cancer and north of the Antarctic Circle, we have the South Temperate Zone. In the north of the Arctic Circle and south of the North Pole, or between North Pole and Arctic Circle, this is the frigid zone or Uttari Ushanakटिबंधीय क्षेत्र. This is the very cold zone. Same like North Frigid Zone, we have South Frigid Zone in the south. The total number of latitudes are 90 plus 90 plus 1. These 90s are 90 degree north, 90 degree south, and this one is 0 degree equator. These all are the 181 degree, or we can say 181 in the numbers. The distance between the every latitude is approximate 111 kilometers. So guys, now we will study about the longitude. Unlike the latitudes, as you can see, these are the parallel lines, but longitudes are not parallel to each other. Now we will see about the longitude. So friends, now we have the longitudes. In Hindi, देशांतर रेखाएं. Latitudes were parallel to each other like equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, in south, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. These circles are parallel to each other, but longitudes are not parallel to each other. Longitudes are similar in distance. Means the size of the longitudes are same from north to south. The prime meridian, the 0-degree longitude and 180-degree longitude divides the earth into two hemispheres. In the east we have eastern hemisphere, and in the west we have western hemisphere. Longitudes are very important to know the time of a place. As we know, our earth rotates from west to east. Rotation of earth is west to east. So if we see at the sun, sun rises in the east first. The places which are ahead of the Greenwich or zero prime meridian will be ahead of the Greenwich time, and the places on the west of the zero meridian or Greenwich will be behind in time of the Greenwich time. I will explain the reason in the next topic. Now the total number of longitudes are 180 degree east plus 180 degree west are 360 degree. 180 degree east and 180 degree west lies on the same line. This prime meridian is known as the 0 degree longitude and known as the prime meridian. In the Greenwich we have British Royal Observatory, and this is the time of all countries are taken from this meridian. It is also known as the Greenwich Mean Time. Now we will study about the time scale of countries. So friends, we know that our earth is 360 degree in shape. The one rotation takes place in the 24 hours. Means 360 degree rotates in 24 hours into 60 minutes. Means 1 degree of rotation will take place only 4 minutes. Means if earth rotates 1 degree, it will take 4 minutes. If we take the example of Greenwich, if there is 12 noon in the Greenwich, time at 15 degree east. As we know, 15 degree east, in 1 degree, there is a movement of 4 minutes. At the 15 degree, we have 15 into 4, 60 minutes. Means 1 p.m. if the point is on the east side of the Greenwich. At the 15 degree west, we will be back of 1 hour, and there the time will be 11 a.m. So guys, I think you have understand this point. Now next come to the India. Why we have 82 degree 30 minute east, the Indian Standard Meridian? The reason is, in our India from west to east there is a difference of 29 degree of longitudes. So at 68 degree in Dwarka and Dibrugarh at 97 degree longitude, the time difference between these 2 points will be 116 minutes or 1 hour 56 minutes. So to compromise this, we have made 82 degree 30 minute east longitude as the main meridian, and this is known as the Indian Standard Meridian, and all the time of India is taken from the 82 degree 30 minute. This meridian goes through the Mirzapur near Allahabad. So guys, this was our video of longitude and latitude. We will be back with our new topic. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please comment below. Thank you for watching my video.